Hey guys, I wanted to explain a little bit more in depth on this channel strategy for shorting. I actually posted a trade yesterday for a short trade, SYM, and I wanted to explain how this works a little bit more. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. But basically, when you have a strong momentum breakout that starts a new channel, this is the start of a channel, CH1 here, and you get a CH2 channel establishes the lows of the channel, and you come back and you set the highs of the channel, CH3 right there. And you can see right here, this basically gunned a retest of the 200 MA and then collapsed off of that. So basically what you had a breakout of that little CH2 to CH3 channel run, and then took basically about a month to come back and retest that before it just cratered off of that. So look at the momentum on this side over here, 0.4 BMI, 40% loss there. And then you get over here and you can project the same momentum, generally speaking, from the breakdown of the CH3 point. Now a lot of times the speed here, the vector here, like right here, was about a 4-month breakout. Right here, it's about, from that, it's about 2 months. So it speeds up from CH3 to CH4 quite often. And if you wait for that retest, if you get a good retest on that, you're down to basically a little bit over a month on that. This is where you can make a lot of money on the options. You get these way out of the money options. Let's say you're in at this dark cloud cover right there, close 366, and you do a 325 call down here for just 1 month out. You can get a lot cheaper. And look at that, you're basically going to be in about 325, $100 in the money on whatever you pay for that option 1 month out. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bitcoinatradingclub.club/lingo. So these can be very powerful trades when you look for the CH2 set and then a pullback to CH3, and this quite often will gun the 200 MA, reject off of that, and you get that big run down to the CH4. So, you know, one of the filtering mechanisms for this type of trade is when you have a big gain over a year or two time. Look right there, you got 164% gain over 2.5 years, and it just wants to try to go back up. It can't. This was about a 11-month low. We try to look for six plus month lows or highs for reversal from a prior trend. So if you're in a big downtrend, you look for a 6-month high, then a TSS pullback off of that. This was a 6-month plus, 11 months basically, and you got a Cat 3 pullback here. So Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3, and that was a nice short off that $500 reject, that PPP zone. So if you had seen it there off of that Cat 3 pullback there, you had a really nice short out there. So you had another opportunity here. So let me just revisit the trade I posted yesterday, SYM. And you can see right here again, this is another situation where big gain, 600%. And you got a 0.5 plus BMI, CH1, CH2, CH3. Now it may shake out quicker, or it may try to get above a 200 MA before it goes down. But earnings is November 18th, and so whatever we get here, I mean, it could be a buy today. I'm going to predict that we hit that lower channel line, and that could be a really good move off of that. Again, November 18th earnings. Be nice if it just consolidated here for a week or two. You get cheaper way out of the money options. It would be nice to be over here at the same level a week out from earnings, and you get a distance strike right here, a lot cheaper because there's not much time left on the options, and it craters down to 13, 14 bucks. You can get sometimes 10, 15, 20x on the options on that. So It's kind of setup we like. Again, CH1, CH2, CH3, target CH4 on that short SYM, currently setting up like Humana did. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.